How to fix Facebook newsfeed not showing and missing problem. Hello friends, welcome back to How to Fix It YouTube channel. So guys, if your Facebook newsfeed is not showing or missing, okay, then how you can fix this problem, in this video I'm going to tell you the solution, okay, to fix this issue. So sometimes what happened to us is when we go to Facebook, okay, our newsfeeds gets blank and we don't have any news feed there. Okay, so why what will be the reason here and what will be the solution? If you want to know, then guys, just watch this video till the end. Okay, so there are some reasons why news feeds are not showing or why it is missing. Okay, just watch this video and fix your problem. Okay, and guys, before proceeding further, make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get all the latest update. So now we can start the video without wasting any more time. So at the first step, what you have to do, if your news feed is not showing or if your news feed is missing, okay, and make sure that your internet connection is in good condition. If your internet connection is not good, then guys, you cannot refresh your news feed. Okay, try switching up your network connection, try to restart your device, and then guys, go to Facebook and try to refresh your newsfeed. So if this solution gets work, then guys, your job is done, your problem is fixed. But if this solution doesn't work and if you have still the same problem, then guys, watch out the next solution. In the next solution, guys, you have to go to Play Store. Okay, go to Play Store and then guys, you have to search here for a Facebook. So you can type here FB or Facebook. Okay, whatever you want to type, you can type it. So just in short, it is FB. So no, now you have to check your Facebook update. Okay, because whenever we don't update, we get this kind of problem. So if we update our Facebook, then guys, the bug problem will get fixes, latest features will be added to our application. So updating is very benefit. So you have to update it, and after the update, go back to your setting, scroll down until you find the apps, and then guys, you have to go to manage apps, or you may find here install apps. Okay, and here you have to search for the Facebook. So just scroll down and find out. So guys, you have to scroll down here. Okay, in the Facebook you have to tap, and after finding your Facebook, you need to open it. And then guys, what you have to do here is you just have to clear the data. Okay, clear the data from your Facebook, so it will clear up all the unwanted datas and bugs. Okay, so just clear the data, and guys, your Facebook account will be log out. So after clearing the data, go to app permission, allow the permissions, and then guys, go to restrict data. Okay, you have to go to restrict data as well. So go back, and then guys, you have to go to restrict data, turn off the restrict data, and then turn it on, and then click OK. Now you have to restart your mobile, and then guys, go to Facebook, check it, your problem will be fixed. Okay, so this is how you can fix the newsfeed not showing and missing problem. Okay, so as you can see, newsfeed is loading, refreshing. Okay, and problem is fixed. But guys, unfortunately, if your problem doesn't get fixed, okay, then how you can fix this? To fix this problem again, you have to click on the three lines, scroll down here. Okay, scroll down here, and you have to click on the help and support, and after that you have to click on report a problem. Okay, so you need to report it to the Facebook team. So click on the continue to report. And guys, to get a news feed, okay, the most important thing, you have to make friends. Okay, to get news feed, you have to make friends, you have to follow some celebrities, you have to follow some people. Okay, so that your news feed will become fill up. So you have to follow the people, so you have to make friends, and then guys your newsfeed will not empty. Okay, so this might be your reason of your missing and not showing newsfeed problem. Okay, but guys, if you have many friends still you are having this problem, then you can do all this solution which I'm going to show you, which I'm showing you here. Okay, and guys, after this, what you have to do, you have to select here newsfeed. Okay, go to newsfeed and then guys report your problem to the Facebook team. Whatever problem you're facing, like not showing, okay, your problem is not showing newsfeed, so you have to type here and then guys submit it to the Facebook team. And after all this, your problem will be fixed within 24 hours. So just what you have to do is you have to do all the solution. Okay, so this is how you can fix the newsfeed not showing and missing problem. I hope this video will be definitely helpful for you. Thanks for watching.